We have a lot of customers ask how to use a different source like factory FM or Sirius XM, any factory source while having the VLine on the top screen. For this vehicle, you can press and hold nav, and if you press that for 3 seconds, it'll bring up the CarPlay on the top screen. You won't have audio from the top screen, but you can still fully control it and see what's going on with your navigation up here. And then to get back to the VLine audio, simply go to the iPod source. It'll take back over, and now we can listen to this audio. Alright, if you ever want to use the camera, like the front camera or a reverse camera, you can access reverse by obviously going into reverse. You'll see that camera pop up here. And then if you leave that and you want to see the front camera, you can simply press the camera button. It'll take back over. And then when you're ready for the VLine, you press audio.